Section 8.4. Modifying our workflow in light of our new skills. Now that we know how to find and fix bugs in a more deliberate manner, let's revisit the workflow we last visited in Chapter 6. Note that this workflow is about how to design a single function, so it presumes you've already done the function decomposition described in Chapter 7 to determine the appropriate functions. The new workflow appears in Figure 8.11.
Figure 8.11. The function design cycle with Copilot, augmented to include debugging.
Although the figure is starting to get a bit complicated, most of this is what you saw previously in Chapter 6. The only changes here are to include debugging. Specifically, if you've already tried to revise the prompt and you still can't get code that works, then it's time to try debugging explicitly. With the tools you've gained in this chapter, you'll likely be successful at finding some bugs, but not all possible bugs. If you find the bug and feel you've successfully fixed it, the flowchart sends you back to testing to make sure your fix worked and didn't break any other test cases. On the off chance you can't get the code to work through new prompts and just can't seem to debug it, we've found that problem decomposition is often your best next step. In other words, if you can't get a function to work no matter how hard you try, the function should probably be broken into multiple functions, and you're more likely to be successful coding those smaller functions.